As you see today, this beautiful place here on the coal on the pile, and of course you look down, my paint is tore off of me. That's right. And look at my poor old boots. My boots are tore all apart. That's right, they're all to pieces. But you know what? Thanks to Donald Trump and our fantastic House of Representative, Will Moorfield, the coal mines are working. That's right. As you see here, and me, I'm working, and I'll go buy me a pair of boots and a pair of paints. But I thank Donald J. Trump, our president, that he's put us back to work. So to all you people out there, I want you to know that this is a good day. Coal miners are working. Thank you.